Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure WhatsApp is updated and backups are enabled so you won't lose messages when exporting. Once done, open the chat you want to review. This first action narrows the scope and speeds the process. Tap the contact or group name, then choose Export Chat or Chat Backup depending on your goal. Make sure to decide whether to include media because that increases file size and changes how you share or store the history. Next, perform the core actions to get and inspect history. If you exported the chat, choose a destination like email or cloud. Exported. TXT files are easy to search. Alternatively, use the In Chat search field to jump to keywords, specific dates, or unique emojis. This is faster when you know what to look for. For broader review, connect to WhatsApp Web or the desktop app. Larger screen and keyboard shortcuts let you scan long threads and filter results more efficiently. Finally, complete the task by storing exports securely and rechecking backups so history stays available. Once finished, archive chats if you want them out of the main view but still accessible. Do not delete until you confirm the export. If something goes wrong, for example, export fails or file corrupted, free up storage, update WhatsApp, or export text only to reduce errors, then retry. Make sure backups are current and test a restore on a spare device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.